from patriot, national hero, freedom fighter. These are all one more of the more enduring myths without basis in history, and a survey of that period shows a struggle for both economic and military power between the French, the British, Marathas and Tipu Sultan in largely the theatre of South and Western India. That includes parts of Maharashtra also. So Tipu's stated goal in his own words was to bring Islam, the infidel land, under the sword of Islam, as the selected letters of Kirkpatrick shows. And for all his celebration as some kind of a great freedom fighter, he cultivated the French, he cultivated deep friendships with the French to conquer the entire India and share the territory equally. There are tons of letters that document this, and he invited, we saw in the beginning, I told you about his letters to the Afghani king Zaman Shah. He also sent similar invitations to the Turkish Caliph. And the important point to note is that in Tipu's time, it was the East India Company who fought wars in India. It was not the British Crown which directly fought wars in India. It was a commercial enterprise named East India Company. And the whole of India was not united under one single rule, under a central rule, whatever you want to call it. But all of India was not united politically under one umbrella. So the notion of Tipu Sultan fighting for India's freedom does not arise.